Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I hope you're doing great. So today's video is not a skincare video, but it's a recipe video. It is a recipe that I recently discovered and I wanted to share it with you guys because it's so good. So it's called a lemonade refresher. But in this video, I'm going to make a peach lemonade refresher. You can use any fruits you like blueberries, strawberries, or raspberries, or coconut. So before we begin, I just want to say that if you guys like my videos and want to see more videos from me, please hit the subscribe button. And now let's get into the recipe. So here I have some lemon juice, some frozen peaches, honey, and pink salt. So we're going to start by putting the peaches in the blender and adding half a cup of water. To this we're going to add some sort of sweetener. You can use anything you like. I added 1 spoon honey and 1 spoon sugar. And we're going to add the pink salt, add like half a spoon. And then blend for about a minute. After this, add a lot of ice and blend again for 1 more minute. This will give the texture of crushed ice, which makes this drink next level. Pour it in your favorite glass and decorate with a lemon slice or mint leaves or pink salt. That's all optional. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys try this recipe, do let me know in the comments down below. You can also tag me with your pictures on Instagram. My link to Instagram is in the description down below. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.